Hello, welcome to Tiana Solutions case study presentation. Here's a detailed explanation of the video, focusing on the problem, solution, tools, and the presenter as requested. Problem statement. The video addresses the need for a report in Acumatica that displays employee timesheet data for the past 4 weeks. The consultant notes that there isn't a standard, out-of-the-box inquiry report that provides this specific view in Acumatica. The company wants to see the total time each employee worked for each of the last 4 weeks, and to see all employees, even if they did not record any time for a given week. Solution: the consultant creates a generic inquiry, GI, to solve this problem. Here are the steps he takes to achieve this. Data linking. He links the EP employee data to the contact data, because the employee ID seen in the system is actually the contact ID in the backend. This is not a direct link, so it requires research to uncover. Left join. A left join is used to link the EP employee to the contact and then to EP activity approve. This ensures that all employees are displayed, even if they don't have any timesheet entries for a particular week. Date-based filtering. Instead of using a week filter, which doesn't exist, Nandakishore uses date ranges to determine the 4-week period. He calculates the start of the current week and then subtracts weeks from this date to define the 4-week period. Conditional logic in relationships. To avoid skipping employee records for those without any timesheet entries for the past 4 weeks due to filtering conditions, the date conditions are added in the relations. Result grid. In the result grid, the data is displayed by employee name, grouped to show a single row per employee. Sum of total time spent, converted to minutes by dividing by 60, separate columns for each of the 4 weeks, along with total hours. The data is displayed as hours worked in each of the past 4 weeks, and the total hours for each employee. Example. The example shows how the inquiry can display an employee named Leah, who worked 7 hours in week 1, 1.32 hours in week 2, and no time in weeks 3 and 4, with a total of 8.32 hours. The GI also displays other employees with no timesheet entries. Tools and modules. Tool used. Generic inquiry GI is the primary tool used. Modules impacted. The modules impacted are employee time activities. This is where the employee timesheet data is recorded. Contact. This is used to link the employee ID in the front end to the contact ID in the back end. Example. As illustrated in the video, the final generic inquiry displays a table where each row represents an employee. The columns show employee name, time worked in the last 4 weeks individually as week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. Total time worked over the 4 weeks. If an employee has no time recorded for a particular week, it shows as 0. The display is in hours and not minutes. Consultant and company introduction. Nandakishore is a functional consultant at Tiana Solutions. He has 5+ years of experience in the ERP space, helping clients implement and support various ERP solutions. He has experience tackling 188 unique scenarios in reports and 164 generic inquiries. Company: Tiana Solutions is the largest services partner with Acumatica Cloud ERP, and they assist Acumatica partners and customers with implementations, customizations, and support. Tiana Solutions can be contacted at 678-9102-774 to discuss how they can assist your business.